Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to combine Notion and OneNote. Let's get started. First, go to zapier.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on Create at the top left corner, then click on Zaps from the drop-down menu. In this new tab, start creating a new Zap by clicking on Trigger right here. And this pop-up will appear, where you will choose the Notion app. Next, in this right panel, you're going to click on the Trigger Event field, and this side panel will open. In here, choose your preferred trigger. Next, type the account you are using for Notion in this account field, then click on Continue down here. Next, click on Action right here. This pop-up will open where you will look for OneNote, then click on it. Next, this right panel will open again where you will click on the Action Event field to open this side menu. In here, just choose your preferred action event. Next, in this account field, type in the account you are using for OneNote. Lastly, once you're done, click on Publish at the top right corner to save your changes. And that is how you can combine Notion and OneNote. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.